Ideal Heating has been keeping British homes warm for more than 100 years, and you only have to visit our factory in Hull to see that our commitment to being the best of British is as strong as ever. Talk to any of our team and you'll find out just how proud they are of the Ideal brand. Whether they work in reception, customer services, research and development or on the factory floor, our people are pleased to be part of a brand which not only maintains its British manufacturing roots, but is looking to the future with innovative solutions for home heating and power. One of these forward-thinking solutions is the Logic Plus Combi, a high-efficiency boiler that has been designed to make life easier for both installers and homeowners. Installers are impressed by its low lift weight of just 33 kilos and the wide variety of flue options available, as well as innovative features such as a concealed integral filling loop, inbuilt frost protection, a translucent condensate siphon, plus a scrolling text advanced diagnostics panel. What's more, an impressive 5-year parts and labour warranty offers complete peace of mind and demonstrates our confidence in the Logic Plus. This confidence is all down to the fact that we have carefully selected our supply chain partners for their technical ability, manufacturing repeatability and reproducibility. Assembly lines are no exception when it comes to variability. In our case, we control the entire manufacturing process using poke-yoke, camera recognition and no fault forward techniques. Everything happens at our Hull site, from casting the aluminium heat exchangers to testing the wiring assemblies, so we can ensure that the high standards of quality and reliability are met at all times. The first stage of the semi-automated process is to press the steel chassis from sheet material, and once formed into the correct shape, it is sprayed white both inside and out. As well as making the boiler look good, this protects the chassis, makes it easier to see the internal workings and ensures that any sharp edges are softened. The next stage of the manufacturing process happens at the water set bench. This is where our no fault forward system begins. Each boiler chassis has a unique barcode that is used throughout the assembly process. This dictates that the correct component is always fitted to the correct boiler, and that only confirmed good parts are processed into our boilers. The water set is located in a jig and fixture, which will only release to the next stage in production when the electronic scanning process records a pass, which means no loose nuts, no missing parts and no trapped washers. At the final functional test, the in-process test results are checked, and the test can only proceed when all in-process results record a pass. Next, we assemble and air test the heat engine, which is the heart of the boiler. This involves connecting the heat exchanger, water connections, ignition and flame sensing probes, followed by the burner. The fan and venturi are then added and, after testing, the whole assembly is fitted into the chassis. With the heat exchanger assembly now fitted, the flue system is attached and the combustion circuit is air tested for soundness. Then the remaining parts of the gas management system are added. Our gas valves are supplied by a Six Sigma industry-leading expert. Safety and reliability are a key factor when selecting our components. No further adjustment is required by our production team or by the installer throughout the life of the boiler. It is truly a fit and forget product. We use a camera recognition system when fitting the gas injector, as this ensures only the correct parts are used for specific boiler types and outputs. A physical barrier is used on the production line, preventing the chassis moving to the next operation until the previous operation has met our stringent quality checks. Once the control board has been assembled in a static-free environment, it is then fitted into the boiler. It's scanned as it goes in so that we know exactly which control board goes into each unit. Our camera systems are typical of those used to ensure automotive production quality. Each connector is tested for continuity in operation, as well as for correct engagement onto the various electrical components. All our boilers are 100% functionally tested by firing the boilers and checking their performance parameters in real working conditions. In the final stage of the manufacturing process, the front of the boiler is put into place, the product data plates and packaging labels are applied, and the appliance is air leak tested for K-seal integrity. Final check is performed again using camera recognition to ensure the hardware pack, literature and wall template are present and correct, and that all tests are validated back to the unique boiler serial number. It's only when the boiler has passed this final check that the labels are printed to allow it to be shipped, and it can be boxed up. Of course, the story doesn't end with the Logic Plus coming off the production line in perfect order. Our dedicated one-to-one support throughout the design, planning and after-sales stages will ensure both installers and end users have a positive experience of the brand. We're here to help installers and specifiers to find heating solutions which offer great value, energy efficiency and ease of use, whatever the application, and we are committed to following through with the very best support throughout the 5-year warranty period and beyond.